That's it. You touch me. Can you touch me? It's a surprise?
Yes.
Catch.
But this is a party for you, don't party.
Are you gonna go play on the potty?
That would be a real surprise.
Yes.
Oh, he hit my noggin.
Your noggin?
How'd you learn what noggin is?
Hit your noggin?
Did Dad teach you that word?
Who'd you learn noggin from? Hit your noggin? Oh!
Is that, did you do
hit
that?
my
You taught me that, Dad?
What?
Hit my noggin! I hit my noggin!
Hit my noggin.
It's trying it hit your noggin! I hit your noggin! Hey, that hit your noggin!